Hi guys, today I'm coloring my mermaid. Mom said this part was so It took me forever to do the tail because I had to do it little by little because I didn't want to just mark it up. I have to do it neat. It's the neat book. You can find it in stores. Ta-da! Some of it I've never done yet. And I'm doing these, using these with it. I'm doing the hair. Really shiny and glittery. Also, I'm gonna add a little design, so let me take a break from this. And I'm gonna use the blue that I used with the tail. I'm gonna do like little designs. So I'm gonna color the lines blue instead. Making it purple. I'm really just gonna only do it right here, cause, well, don't really want to do the whole thing. Just a special little blue design right here. Okay, let's get back to the orange hair doing. If you don't know, it has the designs of Frozen and it's really shiny. And this is Mom. This is so neat. I got to do a channel video. I know. I learned everything from my cousin. All the neatness. And so I decided, I should do a little neating in my drawing. Mom said this is her shit. This is her. And then she went like this. And I said, you're beating your legs. And so I couldn't do anything, but Mom told me to have this color, so I'm gonna take it. They never even draw eyes or anything. What is that? Draw something without eyes. Oh well. It's starting to look a little yellow, but it's brown. Let me see this. So it sort of looks like someone in the sea. It is you, Mommy. You are in the sea. You are just camouflaging and making the world look like it's not the same. Have your magic staff, and it says, "Let the sea set you free." As I'm learning how to read my creative, thanks to Mommy's jokeness. The reason why I came back to it is because my hands were hurting and I wanted to get it over with and done. At first I was at this page. And I was doing this page. See how it's nice and glittery? I use these. These are like glitter pens. My godly Terry got me them. Thank you. And my godly man, she got me a mermaid swimsuit with a mermaid tail. I love it. If you never watched my unboxing video, you should go watch it. I got the most amazing mermaid tail. Oh my gosh, I kept screaming. I wanted to go to the pool. I was screaming like crazy. Oh my gosh. And I was so happy. So happy. This is you, Mommy. You said this is you.
That's me.
Yeah, that's Mommy. That's Mommy. I'm gonna color.